Hey guys, I'm Shanna with LifeWellandFrugal.com, and today is a really exciting day because finally, after 9 months, we have finished our kitchen renovation, and I cannot wait to share it with y'all. So my design aesthetic is pretty eclectic. I love decorating with random treasures that I've thrifted over the years and all kinds of things that I've collected over time. My goal with this kitchen was to create something really timeless and classic with elements of a cozy cottage feel. So over the last year and a half, we've been watching a really delightful YouTube channel called The Chateau Diaries. It has been such a joy to follow along with Stephanie Jarvis as she restores her 16th century chateau in the heart of France. I think watching her journey has really given me a nudge towards some of the more European inspired elements of our kitchen design. I was so inspired by her YouTube channel that I decided to vlog the entire process of our kitchen renovation, and in honor of her YouTube channel, I called it the Kitchen Renovation Diaries. I'll include a link to that in the description box below if you want to see how the kitchen looked before we got started and the hot mess between the before and the after. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed touring our newly renovated kitchen. It's been a really long process, but the end result has really been worth it. We really are happy with how everything turned out, and we can't wait to share it with people. I can't wait to cook and share meals with people and continue to create content for lifefullandfrugal.com. And I just appreciate y'all following along the journey so much. If you want to know all the details about how it all came together and all the design choices that we made, I'll have a link in the description box below to our blog. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of the good stuff that we have for y'all. We hope you have a wonderful day.
Hey guys, it's Sierra with lifefullandfrugal.com, and I just wanted to quickly let you know that some of the links below in our description on our YouTube channel and also lifefullandfrugal.com do include affiliate links, which means if you click on a link and make a purchase, we may receive a small commission for that purchase at no extra cost to you. If you're enjoying our content and you're interested in supporting us financially, we do have a link in the description below for a tip jar. You can leave any amount that you like, and it just shows your support. It really helps run the show because we are doing this full time now, and we appreciate anything that you're willing to give. Thank you so much for considering, and have a great day.